This is our Pasifika group. We like playing the drums and dancing. It's actually called a party. Hallelujah. We play in between the songs. That tells the Pasifika group to get ready. I like most is the dancing. We love being in the Pasifika group.